Hey, if you're going to make the investment that it takes to buy a great piece of beef, or anything for that matter, lamb, you name it, the last thing you want to do is screw it up by cooking. And when you're using high heat like we like to do in my restaurant, and most of you like to do at home, those flare-ups, they can make everything taste like carbon. It's just awful. Well, the great thing about Kinloch Pecan Oil, it has a super high smoke point and it's neutral. So when you rub it down, you rub your steak down with the pecan oil, you're not picking up all those outside flavors. It's just completely neutral. So I'm just going to show you how I cook a steak in my restaurant. Okay, so one of the facts about cooking is fat of any sort, and which this is, oil is a fat, helps transfer heat into protein and create caramelization, which equals flavor. So always when I'm cooking a piece of meat, this is what I would do. So I'm going to liberally apply the pecan oil, pour a little extra on the plate. I'll show you why I did that. And I flip it into that pool and one more time, so you don't have to pour twice. And I've got some crunchy salt. And I say put it on like a t-shirt. You want your steak to wear the seasoning. Just like that. All right, so we've got a ripping hot cast iron plancha that we use in the restaurant because nothing cooks beef like cast iron unless it's your grandfather's backyard charcoal grill. So there it is on there. As you can see, it's ripping hot. That's the sound you want to hear when you're cooking with cast iron. That's what I'm talking about. You get that caramelization by using high heat when you're cooking. And you can't do that with just any oil. Kinloch Plantation Pecan Oil is the best when you're searing proteins. All right, there we are, perfectly seared. Check this out. I don't know how you like your steak. I like my steak medium rare, just like that. So I always finish with just a little bit more oil. Just a dab, and that helps. My pepper stick to it. I use a mix of pink peppercorns and Turkish pepper. It's awesome. You're gonna love it. Kinloch Pecan Oil is the way to go when you're cooking proteins.